friends, welcome to the toothcorner.com videos. You must be knowing about Oat Bran and its wondering effects on weight loss. Today let us see how to use Oat Bran for losing weight, its dietary benefits with a healthy recipe. Let us start. The outer layer of the oats is high in vitamins, antioxidants, minerals, fiber, which helps in improving the heart, controlling blood sugar, maintaining proper bowel function, and most importantly, it is suitable for weight loss. You may include the healthiest grain oat bran in your regular diet as it fulfills the amount of recommended intake of fiber. Oat bran is preferable over oatmeal because it is easily digestible and helps in lowering cholesterol. Now let us see the reasons to include oat bran in your diet. You may eat 60 grams of oat bran regularly. That would provide you with 20 grams of fiber, helping to reduce weight and prevent overeating. Besides, it reduces the hunger hormones and ghrelin, which helps to check weight and reduce calorie intake. Furthermore, eating oat bran for breakfast keeps you fuller, thus reduces the intake of number of calories in the latter part of the day. Now let us see how to use oat bran for weight loss. There are many ways you may prepare oat bran that aids in weight loss, like making hot oat bran by adding a cup of the grain in warm skimmed milk, water, soy milk, almond milk or any other non-dairy milk. You may also eat raw oat bran sprinkling over your favorite smoothies or yogurt, or may use it as a topping on baked foods like bread and cookies. It is easy to incorporate ready-made foodstuffs in your regular meal that has oat bran like bread and other cereals. It is always preferable to include oat bran preparing at home, as ready-made foods may contain excess sugar or sodium that may have diverse effects. Also, check the ingredient in oat bran bread and crackers when you are opting for ready-made foods to see that it does not contain any food additives. Now let us prepare an oat bran smoothie for weight loss that is a perfect addition in your breakfast. Please note down the ingredients. You need 1 tablespoon oat bran, 1 cup almond milk, 1 banana sliced, half cup Greek yogurt, and 2 teaspoon flaxseed powder. Now let us see how to make the smoothie. Add all the ingredients in a blender and blend until smooth. Pour it into a glass and serve. I am sure you will include oat bran in your diet for weight loss. That will supply you with enough nutrients, give you a perfect shape and keep you healthy. Thank you.